So today we are going to be solving Winter 17, Paper 31, question number 5. So the question states that the equation of the curve is given and then we need to find out the derivative. So for this, we are going to find out the derivative. I'm going to write down the equation once more. Now, the derivative of 2x to the power 4 is 8x to the power 3, and now we are going to find out the derivative of x y to the power 3. Now this is what we get when we find out the derivative of x y to the power 3. So I'm going to write it here. And the derivative of y to the power 4 is 4y to the power 3 dy over dx. Derivative of 10 is going to be 0. Now this is our derivative. We are going to simplify this. So I'm going to bring these to the right side. So it's going to be minus 8x to the power 3 and minus y cube. Here dy over dx is common, so we're going to take dy over dx as common. Now to find the derivative, we're gonna have to make dy over dx as the subject. So this is what we'll get. Now in the question we can see that it's plus y cube. So it means we're gonna have to factorize. So after factorizing, this is what we're gonna have. So this is our final derivative. Now for part 2 it says, hence show that there are 2 points on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So whenever they talk about the tangent being parallel to the x-axis, we need to equate the numerator of the dy over dx or the derivative to 0. So whenever tangent is parallel to x-axis, equate the numerator of dy over dx to 0. So our numerator in this case is 8x cube plus y cube is equals to 0. So we can further simplify. Now once we'll take the cube root, we will get minus y over 2, and now we're going to have to substitute our x value into the main equation, in curve equation. So our curve equation is 2x to the power 4. We're going to write it down here. 2x, our x, it was 2x4 plus xy cube plus 4y, 4 to the power y is equals to 10. So now we're going to substitute the x. So we're going to have something like this. So now we can simplify this equation and we will be left with y4 over 8 minus y4 over 2 plus y4 is equals to 10. Now we can further simplify and we will get 5 over 8 y to the power 4 is equals to 10. Now we need to get the value of y. So we will have two values of y is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 2, or I can just write y is equals to plus minus 2. Now what we need to do is we had our value of x, and now we have our values of y. So we can say when y is equals to 2, x is equals to, here we have x as minus y over 2, so I'm just going to substitute y as 2. So here we have minus 2 over 2, which gives us x is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 and 2 is one of our coordinates, and when y is equals to minus 2, x is equals to minus y over 2 minus 2, so x is equals to 1. So our second coordinate is 1 and minus 2.